In this video I'm going to show you how to turn on LED flashlight on incoming calls and alerts. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first open up your settings and there scroll down for a bit and hit on accessibility. There scroll down again until you find audio and visual. And there scroll to the very bottom until you find LED flash for alerts, hit on that, and there you can enable that option, and also you can set up if it will be flash while the phone is unlocked, or if it will be flash enabled in silent mode. You can enable or disable that options also if you want. That's how it works. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel.